Hello, my name is Dennis, and today I'm reviewing my new Garantech light that I recently purchased. And see, it's really cool. You can bend it any type of way, and it's easy to fold up and close. So I really like this light. It has a lot of cool features that I will show you. And here's the power cable that it comes with. It comes with the box and the USB cable. So you just plug this into any outlet, and then the power source plugs in right to the back, which also has, if you want to charge your smartphone or whatever, you can plug that into the back as well. So then that will connect. And here is what I really like about this light is you press that to turn on the LEDs. So you can see they get really bright, like it'll light up my whole room. And yeah, so that's really cool. I like that feature. And then also I like this one, so you could turn that on and then make it different colors and stuff. So that's also really cool. It's a cool feature, but it also has an alarm clock which you can control with these 3 buttons on the back right here. So there's up and down arrows, and it has the month, so the date, and it's December 1st, almost Christmas, yay. And then it has the time right here, it is 8:49, and then the temperature, 79 degrees. So that's really cool, and you just control that with all these buttons back here. And you could also turn on an alarm that you can set at whatever time. It's really easy to use also. And you could also see, if you look at the lights, it has 3 different modes on the LED, which you just change by tapping it. So 1, 2, 3, and that's the brightest, you can see. And I like it in the middle because it's really bright. And then if you wanted to charge your smartphone or any device, you just plug that into the back, and then you can just plug it in right there and it charges. So that's really cool. And everything about it works great. It's a lot better than my other lamp I had, because the other one, the ports back here were all loose and janky. This one, you can see it's firm and it works really good, and it has a nice output value, so it'll charge your phone pretty fast. And yeah, this is the light. And also you could turn it all the way around, so whatever way you want it to go. And yeah, I really like it. So it's a really good light, makes it easy to do work and just reading at nighttime or whatever I need to do. If I just need to turn on a quick light to see something that I lost in my bed or whatever, then it works great. So thank you.